What's up, YouTube? I decided I just wanted to really post something, so I decided, how about a laboratory tour? So, I'm sitting here at my desk, my very messy desk. So yeah, not much different from probably the desk of almost anyone else who has a desk at work. And let's see, microcentrifuge, water bath, and yes, that is a microwave hiding back there. We use it to melt gels, actually. Hot plates, weighing benches, pH meter. This is our fume hood, chemical fume hood. Four degree C fridge. Very full, as you can see. Stuff. This is our minus 20 degree C freezer. So this is about, as far as temperature, this is about equivalent to your freezer at home. Whereas the minus 80 degree freezers in the common room are deep freezers. And then this is just a beer cooler for extra storage, and we can also run experiments that need to be kept cold inside of it. Our PCR, our relatively new PCR machine. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. Basically, we can use this to amplify parts of genes. We can do a few other things with it as well. My lab mate's bench top and her desk. This is our plate reader. We can analyze things ranging from fluorescence to absorbance. So as far as like machines that get the most use in our lab, this is probably the one that sees the most use in the main lab itself. Under here is a microscope that we can use to take pictures. Although it's not fluorescent pictures, it's just a standard light microscope. Yeah. Let's see, am I forgetting anything in here? Oh yeah. Well, this here is my bench. My pipettes. My pipetters, rather. Yeah, so this is my little actual workspace for doing experiments here on this bench. Relatively clean right now. Although somebody's been using my tips because I did not leave them that way. I usually stack them when I'm done. Oh, just one other cool thing. This is we're no longer a radiation lab, so I've never used this thing. But this is our lab's Geiger counter. Because it hasn't been used because we haven't been a radiation lab since before I joined the lab. So I'm not even sure it still works, but it's kind of neat. Not every day you get to see one of those. So yeah. So I'm also going to show you our cell culture room and the departmental common room where we also have some equipment. There's really, and then that's really about all there is to my little world bubble. Although I've already shown you my microscope in another video. I'll try to remember to put a link down in the comments. So I guess that's really what I'm planning to show you. If you have any, and if you have any questions about how something works and stuff, I don't mind trying to answer it for you. So, enjoy. Okay, so this is our common room, our departmental common room. This is our water pump for deionized water. Scintillation counter, ultracentrifuge. And these are our big minus 80 freezers, minus 80 degrees C. Some more centrifuges. This is the minus 80-degree freezer that belongs to our laboratory. My shelf. A little disorganized right now, but that's okay. And this is actually a very nice piece of equipment. This is a dishware, a laboratory dishwasher, pretty much. Very nice. Okay, so I'm in the tissue culture lab now, and this is the hood that we use to work with our cultured cell samples. And we use this because animal tissue cells have to be kept sterile. If you open this in any other open environment, you will contaminate your samples. So this is actually a room that we currently share with 3 other laboratories. And this particular hood belongs to our lab, and we've got our own couple of refrigerators. This is our incubator, CO2 incubator. It's my shelf. We each have our own shelves in our lab. This is these are our cryo vessels. For long-term storage of of frozen cell samples, and then everything else is just basically storage cabinets.